Mic test, mic test. All right, good evening, good evening. We are at the day 14 now of Fight for Points 2. Our first game is Minions of the Galaxy versus Vito sa puso ko. Dapat 9:30 na to pero missing in action si Noy. Ako na lang daw muna mag-create ng room. So, let's see. Looks like both teams are ready in the room. Yan. We're just waiting for, sabi ni ano, wait daw. Sabi ni PG, wait daw. Oh, yan. Yan, nag-notify na pala. There you go, sige. If you're, we'll be giving away codes later. So, wala si Noy. I did not get any red and blue codes tonight. But I have some spare Star Rune codes. Baka pwede sa inyo yun. Star Rune codes. So we'll raffle that. So just type in to join the raffle. Just type in !notify space Team Minions or Team Vito. Who do you vote for? So I have extra, no, I did not give me any red and blue gacha codes, but I have extra Star Runes and Time Wish Ticket Runes. Yan. Time Wish Ticket codes. So I hope okay na sa inyo yun. Game na daw ba? Game na daw ba? Ayan, we're flagging to prepare for round number 1 arena. And everybody's ready. Let's start. So this is Team Minions versus Team Vito. Who's gonna win? Type in !notify space the team name. And we'll Oy, dito pala si Attorney Purity. No din. Sali ba sa game yung Purity mo? May ko yata gumagamit yan. O bago gumagamit yan. Okay, so Team Vito, Morok, sorry. LMX Mafia is the Morok. PG is the linya. Sakit na PG yan. Wakpo, may Saint sila. Joel, Jormun Tenza is the Nameless. And then Kleino LMX, Ambini Jormun. Cornflake, Soul, Binder, Benza, may linya. Kula Peke. Nameless and Plato Chase, Saint. So Nameless, Saint, mirror match tayo tonight. Both teams have Morok, Saint, Nameless. Ay hindi, walang Morok pala sa kabila. Nameless, Morok, si Vito sa puso ko, while Soulbinder. So we have Cornflakes as the Soulbinder, Team Binyong Galaxy. Versus Whiteball, wala pang nagkakapatayan on both teams. Everybody is very easy here. Heartlock by Cornflakes dahil dumive si Tenza doon. Napatay ba nila? Wala pa rin namamatay. Both teams have 2 balls each. We are now going back to their safety spots at the middle. Oy! May namatay. 2 orb holders of Team Minion just died and I wasn't able to see the action. Let's go to Cho's POV. Okay, so Choel went in the middle. Team Vito has stolen a third orb from Team Binions. We are now seeing a 400-point lead from Team Vito. Choel waiting for his linya. Si PG. Ayun, PG, let's bolt in. Has taken its ride. Punta sa gitna. Soulbinder of Binions the Galaxy is down. Choel dives in. Kleino dives in. Nakatanggap si Kleino ng cabbage. Biglang nawala bigla sa yung Kleino sa baba. Ambini jumps in with Morok Tenza and Ilinya. Ambini jumps out, namatay yata ang Ambini. Vito is back here, pero 3 orbs pa rin ang hawak ng Team Vito. Binions of the Galaxy doesn't have a single orb. Their score stopped at 460. While Vito is now at 1,700 points. Ang lakas ng pinapakita ni PG dito. Let's check the kills. PG 4 kills. Mafi! DPS Morok ang Mafi. Already with 5 kills. Let's go nga sa POV ng idol Mafi natin. Yun! Mafi in the frontline. Guardian out. While on Morok form, balik ang buhay niya agad. Looking for Playjo. Playjo doesn't have a shield. Mukhang hindi niya nakikita si Cornflakes doon, but he got debuffed instead. Hindi makakilos na maayos ang Mafi, and suddenly, he's down. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari doon. Paano siya namatay? Paano na siya namatay doon? Tinamaan ng ligaw na bala? Choel and PG here in the middle. Choel checking out Cornflakes. Cornflakes boy pa rin. Na soul na si Choel, nawala ang snake form, na debuff na rin ang nameless, pero nandun pa rin, hindi natatakot ang Choel, just staying here in the middle, hitting on Cornflakes now. Kleino is down, Cornflakes is down, PG and Choel are blocking the base of Binions of the Galaxy. Grabe, nabubuli ang Binions here, and Vito already with 3.2k points. Collecting the orb gives them 3.4, 600 points to go. Uy! Napasukan ng nameless. Kulapeke kills Choel there. Pero buhay pa rin ang 3 orbs holder, and Choel comes back to defend the orb holders of Team Vito. Buhay pa rin, mahunat pa rin. Tenza. Hindi nakita ni Tenza. Asa ba si Tenza? Tenza is the nameless din. So it's a nameless versus nameless battle pala. So wala sa lineup ng kabilang side. Soulbinder, yung isa, may Saint sila pareho. Morok, so the difference is Morok and Saint. So Team Binion has a Saint, while Team Vito preferred a DPS Morok. And there you go, it gives them their first round win. Grabe yung PG, 11 kills. Pero in fairness, mas maraming kills para si Ben sa Masanyo, 13. Kaso mukhang Mafi has done it. Mafi and Tensa, killing or boulders left and right. Hi Jerome, good evening pre. How are you? Welcome to Boss Paris Online. Okay, we are now going to round number 2. So ang nanalo doon is Team Binions. Please select round 2 map. So Team Vito has 1 point already. Since there is a best of round map. Let's see what map will Team Binion choose in round number 2. So for those who just, their selected map. For those who just logged in, this MP tournament, fire on full power mechanics, no changing of job, no duplicate jobs, and the loser of the previous round selects what map to play next. And Team Binions has selected map number 3, black and white chess. Yan, black and white chess tayo. Okay, both teams are complete. And Let's check if they are ready. O si Vito na lang hindi pa ready. Yun. Okay, both teams are ready. We are starting round number 2. So mga nakaramdam ang team Binions na Makati. Makati ang Team Vito. So tama, Team Vito Makati with PG there on the front line. They have selected map number 3 instead for mechanics battle. Wala dito, pwede magtakbuhan lang na magtakbuhan. No regroup spot eh. If you regroup, you lose. Everybody has to divide and conquer. Let's go to the POV of dito tayo kay Ambini, ang Jormun ni Ben Sama. And we're on. Oh, sa lumalabas. So the match started. Ambini going directly to the base of Team Vito. Nakatalon ka agad, ang bilis. So they were able to occupy that on a 3v1 situation. Ambini goes to 3 o'clock, assisting his teammate. It's a 3v3 battle. They're unable to flip the tower. Both teams have 3 members. Pero looks like Vito, Ben Sama is doing it. Morok, I see the Morok going down there. Satan Morok form na. Nabuhay pa! Nabuhay pa yung Morok. Sino may Morok? Si ano yun, di ba? Hindi, kakampi pala nila yung Morok. Sino may Morok? Wala pala Morok sa lineup. Si Mafi pa rin. Kalaban. So that was Mafi pala. Grabe ang kunat ng Mafi. I thought he was gonna die for 2 times there. Ayan, yun lugi lang If you get an LMX guarding a tower in map 3 and then suddenly Elinia Jormun combo comes into you, lugi ka agad. 2 feet. 2 paang kalaban mo. Ayan. So, looks like the LMX of Vito sa Puso called in for support there. 3 people guarding the 3 o'clock tower. Vito sa Puso ko still doing the mechanics. 1.8k na po ang score ng Team Vito. They are in the lead. Malayo ang lead nila sa Binions. Grabe. Mga nahihirapan si Ambini dito. Ambini is down. Let's go to the POV of Cornflakes occupying the 12 o'clock, pero 2 ang kalaban niya dun. Aruy. Na Jormun and Nameless siya doon. Everything is overpowering with Team Vito right now. They have the upper triangle. Let's see the match here. Ayun, hawak pa rin. Ito, Kulapeke trying to get the so he was successful in taking the 9 o'clock tower, pero iniwan niya agad. Ambini here going for the base, enemy base. Nakakuha, hindi niya nata-down. Ayun, patay ka agad si Ambini. PG is just it hurts like a truck. Ayan, PG with 8 kills already. Gives 3 point. Alam mo, may pag-asa pa tayo. 3.3k pa yan, pre. You just need to flip everybody up, pero mukhang baliktad eh. Once PG and sino ba yung Jormun niya? PG and Chowel goes in the map. Lahat ng madaan ng tower, patay yung depensa. Masakit masyado ang PG. Ayun. And round number 2 goes to Team Vito. Vito wins the whole round. And we are going to the second map right away. Congratulations, Team Vito. Let's see what's the next match. So, it's either Binions of the Galaxy versus Hayakult or Baltimore versus Chooks to go. Parang na natin si Binions. How about we watch Baltimore versus Chooks to go? Let's see, did they create a room yet? Ayan, may room si X-Chokoy. Oh, yan. X-Chokoy. So we'll be watching Binions of the Galaxy, Baltimore versus Chooks to go. Na meanwhile, waiting, let's run the, let's run the codes. Let's raffle the codes. So how many cheered for Team Vito? Yan, tingnan natin yan. Ay, mali. Team Minions muna pala. Notify Team Minions. Only have one. Michael Nathaniel only cheered for Team Minions. Then Team Vito. Oh, we got 6. Okay. Hi. Okay, let's roll. First raffle winner of the night is Mark Ariel Suelo. Oy, Boss Oleos. Father Oleos, are you there? Can you claim you have won tonight's raffle? Father Oleos, are you watching? Sila na yata yung maglalaro. Di ba si Oleos is Chooks to go? Si Oleos, Father Oleos, Team Chooks to go? Chat natin. Ayun! Sumagot sa comments. There you go. PM said, Father Elias, pa-reply na lang after your game. I'll give your code after the stream. Okay. We're still waiting for, let's go back to the arena. So it's Baltimore versus Chooks to go. Yan. Okay. Baltimore versus Chooks to go. Ayan. You may choose your team now. And then we'll raffle codes later. Are your team Baltimore with the letter D, letter D. And Chooks or Team Chooks, yan. Baltimore with the letter D. Ayan, mga hilig ni Dusty Yulia yan, Madam Yulia. Mahilig sa Baltimore yan. Kulit niya, no? Magkaharap Baltimore and Calvonatics. Sinong mananalo? Ang may mas maraming buhok. We're still waiting for Team Baltimore. Ayan. So, Screw Sun part of the lineup. Team Baldmore. Ayan, Cruel Sun niya. Baldmore is Little Nun. Ayan nga natin. So, Team Baldmore is Baldmore. Their team leader, Baldmore, Little Nun, Mr. Bradley. Cruel Sun, Boom Bloom. Oniwashiro. Yan si Oniwashiro, kilala ko yan. Lagi nag-PPB din. And then, Team Choksugo is X-Choy, Max Sanity, Oleus, Jeps, Zeya, and Loki. Parang wala pa yata ang loss itong team na to. Wala loss. Malakas nga yun itong Team Choksugo no? Silang magandang makatapat nila Shiro. Have you faced Team Chokes already, Shiro? Are you still alive, Shiro? Boss Pat, kasing hawig mo logo ng Baldmore. Hindi mas pogi ako doon sa logo na yan. Tawa ka lang, bilog ulo ko ngayon ha. O yan o. Yes! Who won? I was I able to stream that? We lose! Oh my God! I was streaming that pala, no? I was streaming that like last Saturday. Was that Saturday match? Yes, I remember. Oo nga, you guys lost. Very close fight. Very, very close. That was like a championship match. My God. Very close. Palagi naman bilog ulo mo eh. Depende, ulo sa taas o sa baba. Yung isa pwede rin bumilog. Ay, mali. Ay, ano man binibindot ko? Ito. Ayan, we're still waiting for 2 more people from Team Baldmore. Ayan, meanwhile, type exclamation point notify space the name of the team you're cheering for. I mean, PM. So, boss. Party names. Sino pa yung kulang sa favorite kong team? Okay, sige, check natin. Well, Baldmore himself is not yet here. Yung favorite mong player, wala pa. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Baldmore only has 6 members. So, Cruel Sun, check. Mr. Bradley, check. Little Nun, check. Bomblong, check. Oniwashiro and Baldmore is missing. We're still waiting for Oniwashiro and Baldmore to log in. Oh, CLA is here. Why is CLA is here? Mali siya ng pinasukan na room. Let's ask them. How is Baldmore on the coming? Yan, tayo lang natin. Meanwhile, I'll be right back. Just get water. Oy, back! Naku, wala nagre-reply sa Team Balmore. Excuse me. Oh, we have a code. There's a new code. Oh, free codes for everyone. Kung naglabas ng new weekly code. Oh, ay already used pala. Ayan. Already used na eh. Kala ko may weekly code. Bayad? I thought Rom gave away another weekly code. My God. Nakatulog na sa pagupitan si Balmore. Nasarapan sa masahe ng barbero. Wala nang tinira sa buhok niya pagbalik. Oh my God. Naku. Still waiting for Bal. Ayun, Oniwashiro has entered the lobby. So, we're just waiting for Balmore now. Only one more person. Tagal ah. Wala pa rin. Habang wala, gawa muna tayo ng magagawa. Sayang notify, no? When somebody logs into the room. Nag-login eh. Oh, by the way guys, last day na to today. Ako di ko na kinuha. Pero last day today ni Papa Hendrich and Smith. Di nyo ba may mga nagbabalak kumaskas? Ikaskas nyo na yan habang Makati pa. Pag hindi na yan Makati, hindi nakakaskas. And thank you. Okay. So, tuloy ang laban. Huwag ako nag-thank you si Chokoy. Bakit kaya? Saan ba yung ano nun? Item drop nun? Yun! Space time provider. Ito ba yan? Tama ba yan? Aiden Ferry to. So, this is not it. It's a different item. Ah! Looks like teammates of Team Balmore doing their best to contact. Kamukha pa ng fortune coin. Hanapin natin yung mukhang fortune coin. Fortune coin, fortune coin. Fortune coin. Ito, chip gacha coin. Ayun, hindi. Fortune coin yan, literal. May silbi mo ba itong meteor coin? Ay, sa ano pala to? Arena 3v3. Ayan, looks like Oniwashiro ay, sorry. Ay, wala pa rin. Balmore. Tagal yung Balmore. What happened to him? He's awfully late. Cards na to. Tayo na. Seriously, ROM needs to fix their inventory management. Saan yung item na yun? Taba, hindi eh. Wala. May bago ba sa prayer ko? What's new? Got love, got to do. Bago to ah. Bago ba to? Meron na ako. Oops. Meron na rin ako niyan eh. Meron na rin. Yan. Yan. Balmore is here. Ay, may logo yung guild niya, kami wala. Amazing. Pag ganun yung logo niya, matcha meron tayo wala. Oh, Noy is here. Oh, looks like Noy is woken up. Nasa mga token, boss Pat. Buti nabasa ko yun, hanapin nga natin. Dito? Ayun, Ancient City Coin. Oo nga naman. So mag-end na to. Na kasi 145 kailangan mo eh. Ay, nako. 145, wala na akong BCC eh. 145. Ay, mali. 200 yan. 145. 3,625. I only have 3,500. Kulang. Kulang. Kulang akong 100 BCC. Saan tayo pupulot na 100 BCC? Ladies and gentlemen, Noy, give me 100 BCC, Noy. Para makuha natin plus 15 voucher, give me 100 BCC, Noy. Okay, looks like everybody's ready. We are now starting round number 1 of Team Chokoy versus Team Baldmoor. Vote, cheer for your team. Exclamation point, notify, space, Team Baldmoor or Team Chokes. We are in the POV of Team Chokes right now. Dito tayo sa Maxon, Jormun. Si Zizea. Lineup nila. So, Loki still the Fenrir. And he is doing it, no? While Fenrir then. Okay, we have a mirror match. Fenrir Soulbinder Morok. Fenrir Soulbinder Morok mirror match. Nice. So, we'll see who is the really better team right now. Go Team Jokes! Wow. Oh, we got. Ano nangyari? Ari enter. Nag-bug yung room. Sayang. Okay, let's do that again. Kala ko start na eh. Ayan. Kala ko start na eh. Tagal eh. Dun, 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 dun. Ano nangyari? What happened? Post muna tayo habang tagal mag-start. Kaya mga nag-start na. Okay, 27 on the climb clock. Ay, hindi na naayos ngayon din team room. Sayang. So, lalabas ngayon. Team Max Sandy versus Team Cruel Sun. Ganyan na lang. Modify Team Chokes. Maraming fans ng Team Chokes. Dito na tayo kay Zizea. Zizea muna tayo. Mamaya tayo kay Bumblong sa next round. Zizea and Oleus jumps in the middle. Wala pang namamatayan both teams na. So, Judgment ang Dalawa sa Team Cruel Sun is already down. Pasok ang Soul Judgment ni Max Sanity doon. Si Zaya looking for the next target. Nagkabanggaan na sila ni Bomblong and Bradley here in the 3 o'clock orb. Zizea ports out na wala ang kanyang snake form. Baka nga naman ma-cabbage ka bigla. Pero nakita niya si Cruel Sun. Cruel Sun almost died there. Fast fingers by Cruel Sun. Converting to Morok mode. Dadaan, takas pa si Zaya. Still going for Cruel Sun. Hinahabol niya. Jeps joins in on the fray and Zizea is down there. Makaka-recover kaya ang Team Max Sanity there to protect their orb holders. Mukhang hindi nakapag-push ang team ng Team Cruel Sun. Hindi nakapag-push si Baltimore doon. Baltimore, however, still has 2 orbs. Tinatry niya pumush in for his teammates pero antindi ng pagkakahawak ni Jeps doon sa frontline. 2 beses nang tumumba yata si Zaya pero si Jeps still alive here, holding the front line, allowing their orb holders to have a safe spot. Ayun, nawala na ang shield ni Jeps. Mawawala na rin ang Morok form nito pero yan, nakatayo lang si Jan pre. Just soaking the damage for everybody here. Putting the debuffs. Sabi ni Jeps, tatayo na lang ako dito buong laban. Ano bang nangyayari kay Jeps? Alas Snorlax ka na dyan, pre. Ayun, sinakyan. Tinalo na ni Bomblong. Naglalakad naman pala si Jeps. Kala ko FK. Ayun, nayari na ng ilinya ni Mr. Bradley. Mukhang naubos na yung kakunatan ni Jeps doon. Jeps trying to steal a third orb for their team. Pero nakita siya ni Oni Washiro. Oni cancels out Jeps from picking up orb. Hindi gumana. Nakapulot pa rin. Medyo masakit. Pero ba't delay yung pasok ng damage ni Jeps, no? Masakit. Ayun, ayaw siya pawalan ni Oni Washiro. Nag-light shield. Ang Jeps hindi tumama. Ang light shield nagmintis siya pa. Pumapasok pa rin. Ang damage ni Oni Washiro. Ayun, nag-recast ng light shield pero pumapasok pa rin. Ayun na, nagmintis na. Mukhang mas okay na yung pangalawang light shield niya. That keeps the orb in the hands of Team Baltimore. Very, very close fight. Only 300 point lead for Team Chokoy. Only 300 point lead for Team Chokes. Dikit na dikit ang lawan. Both teams has 2 orbs. Lamang lang ng 4 kills. Ang Team Chokes parehong masakit si Eleus at si Mr. Bradley. Okay na okay ang timpla ng dalawang team na to. Punta tayo sa POV ni Chokoy. Chokoy tries to get in. Mukhang na-debuff siya ng Morok. Morok is down. Chokoy has the chance to pick up the white ball. Makikita mo siya ni Baltimore. Baltimore is down. Loki, wala yata ang orb pala si Chokoy. Maupulot ba yung white orb? Ayun, nakita siya ni Oni Washiro. Oni Washiro sniping away. Kaso makapal ang shield ni Chokoy. We're gonna see a 1v1 fair here. Oni Washiro versus Loki. Oni Washiro is down 1v1 with Loki. Grabe naman yun. Pana sa pana. White ball is back. And because of that, Team Chokoy is now holding 3 orbs safely in this round 1. That boosts up their points to 4,000. Team Chokoy wins round 1. Oleus with 18 kills. Loki with 8 kills. Ganda naman ng one-on-one ng Loki at Oni Washiro. Parang Dragon Ball. And we are going to round number 2. Team Baltimore. Ay, hindi ko pala natanggal yung score. Sorry. So, Team Chokes only has 1 point pa lang. Map 1. So, Team Baltimore and Team Chokes, we are going to Map 1. Lolo yung microphone ko. Modulas. Good luck po sa mga kalahok, sabi ni Albert Zacarias. Ayun, so Noy. Noy is giving me codes for tonight. So we have codes for tonight na. Red and blue codes pa rin. And map 1 still for round number 1. Po maraming fans ang Team Chokes. Okay, we are going in. And let's go to the POV. This time of Boom Blong, the Morok of Mr. Bradley. Ayun, clash agad. Team, what do you call this? Team Baltimore bravely goes to the base of Team Choy. So they are on a clash right away, and that allows Team that was a good strategy, So that allowed Team Baltimore to get on the lead with one orb right away, because all of their players. Oh, somebody got disconnected from Team Chokoy pala. Kaso too late. The match has already started when they mentioned that somebody got disconnected. So sino yung na-disconnect? Looks like Zaya or Jeps. And then naka-orb point si Jeps so who got disconnected? May threat si Zaya. Everybody has a score, So looks like whoever got disconnected, baka si Zaya, wala silang Zormoon. Zaya, just Zaya. So, whoever got disconnected was able to return back naman pala. Both teams are complete, got disconnected for a short time there. And now we are seeing both teams with 2 orbs still in favor of Team Baltimore though. Zaya comes in, bolts in with Oleus. Ayun puta mo, Zaya lost his HP right away. Oy! Follow through shield from Chokoy there. Zaya regains his HP with a high shield there. Nasalo ni Chokoy at ni... Malaki shield So nasalo ng shield ni Chokoy and ni Olay sabay. Good job. They are wiping out everybody here. One by one. Team Chokes are back in the field. They have turned the tides, stolen one more orb. Team Chokes now has 3 orbs. Max Sanity in the front line, looking for targets there na masusol. Dumive si Cruel Sun. 2v1 situation, di siya nakakilos. Okay, Zaya disables him there. Little Nan ang kunat. Ayan, Zaya goes in for the kill on Little Nan. Will we see it go down? Then nakapag-shield pa ang Little Nan. Good job there on the shield. Max Sanity, Bops like ang tawag doon, FP. But dies in the process. Zaya also gets down. 1 orb holder of Team Chokoy is also down, pero na-recover kagad yung bola. Team Baltimore fails to steal a second ball for their team. Let's see the match here. Ayun, X-Choy, hindi nakuha ni Choco yung bola, pero ang lakas, Loki solo support to get the ball for Chokoy there. Very nice. Meanwhile, in the middle, Chokoy supporting Zaya here na soul yung si Bomblong, and Bomblong is down. Grabe, the lead is now 1,000 points for Team X Chokoy. Kanina dikit lang yung laban, ang ganda sana, kaso X Chokoy is now doing it, showing their firepower. Baltimore down, trying to recover the middle. They were successful in killing 1 or 2 orb holders of Team Chokoy, pero once Chokoy and Zaya returns to the field, masakit masyado. Once Oleus and Zaya returns to the field, masyadong masakit. Parang nobody can tank Oleus damage right now. Oleus with 13 kills. Sakit. Loki there with the support kill, 6 kills. Good job. And that gives 2 wins for Team Chokoy. They have won this round. Alright. So it's 10:30. We'll be heading to the next match. Says Ambini room. Wala pa. There's no Ambini room yet. While waiting for the Ambini room to get created, let's raffle some codes. Alright. So, who cheered for Team Baltimore? Oh, we got 6? Talaga ba? Yulia, Nick, Yuen. Okay, so since we only have... Tingnan naman natin if we got duplicates. Who cheered for Team Chokes? We also got 6. Okay, so... Looks like we don't have duplicates naman. Oh, let's raffle 2 entries here. May duplicates ba? Combat Run, Clan, wala. Okay. So let's get 1 winner from the cheerers of Team Baltimore. Drawing entry now. And then we'll get 1 more winner for Team Chokes. Oy, Madam Yulia! Yulia, are you there? Can you comment, claim? Madam Yulia. So Madam Yulia wins the second code tonight. Oh no, he says there's already a room. There you go. Hoy, leto na agad sila. Wala si Yulia. Yulia calling once. Nawala ang Yulia. Yulia Dusty Chua is not calling twice. It's not in the house right now. Yulia calling twice. Naku po, wala ang Yulia. Okay, wave tayo. Reroll. Drawing. New winner. Mikael Nathaniel. Our second winner tonight, Mikael Nathaniel. Are you there? Comment claim if you are there. Galingan mo, Selva. Selva has a fan here from Team Hydrochronic. Ayun, Miguel Nathaniel. PM sent, bro. PM sent. Now, let's roll for Team Chokes. Draw entry. Second winner from Team Chokes is Romeo Thomas. Ayun, kaka-comment lang ni Romeo Thomas. Kaka-comment lang ni Romeo Thomas. Ay, nawala. Ano nangyari? Teka, nawala. Nagloko yung stream ko bigla. Refresh ko na lang. Bakit 5 lang? Kasi nag-roll ako sa mga nag-cheer for Baltimore at nag-roll din ako sa mga nag-cheer for Team Chokes. So, one winner for each. Grabe, 20% chance of winning. Malas talaga ako sa Lotto Forex. Meron pa tayo mamaya, madam. Maganda lang gagawin ko every match. One winner for each team that cheered. So, pag merong nag-iisa lang siya nag-cheer doon sa team na yon, then he gets to win right away. Double voting is not allowed, ha? What's happening? What are they chatting at? Klaus is not on the Discord yata. Lip, Joran, Sosong, Team Hydrochronic. O nga, ayusin na nga natin yan. Buti pinaalala mo sa akin. Okay, going to the stream. Ayusin na nga natin yan. So, it's Team Chronic. Hindi, Chronic lang, pre. Chronic versus, sino ba kalaban nila? Team Yota. Team Yota. So it's Team Chronic versus Team Yota this time. Cornic! Team Cornic! Lahat yun na lang ang pangalan team nila. Team Cornic. Chronic Cornic. And then Team Yota. And team ko before on season 1 with Shiro, our Elinia. Team Cornic. Dapat yun na lang eh. Okay, we have entered the arena for round number 1. This is Team Chronic versus Team Yota. Who's cheering for Chronic and who's cheering for Yota? Just choose one team, guys. Then I'll raffle each team. POV po saan ni Mr. Popoy? Sige, pre, share mo yung stream. Please react and share the stream and then let's go para sa'yo. Ayan, punta tayo sa POV ni Popoy. Ayan, Mr. Popoy, the Soulbinder of Team Chronic. Ayan na. Okay, we'll go full POV of Mr. Popoy. Sana ma-action, ha? Let's see how action-packed Soulbinder is Popoy is right now. Malikse! Mukhang naramdaman niyang tayo ay nakatingin sa kanya. Popoy, nag-Soul Judgment! Casting Soul Judgment there, pero dies right away! Oh my God! Action-packed! Got jumped in by the Jormon. Popoy loses his shield. Claustrophobic. Mainit na mainit kay Popoy. Bakit mainit? Si Claustrophobic kay Popoy, siya lang ang hinahanap. Almost dying again. Popoy, oh yun, siya talaga ang tinatarget, pre. Popoy getting bullied around by Dailinia and Claustrophobic combo there. Ay, yari. Ba't trip na trip si Popoy nito? Ayan, casting Unreal to si Jormon to make him stop attacking. Popoy dives in again. Sino target mo, pre? Naku po, may tumatamang critical doon. Masakit, Fenrir. Ayan yun, Fenrir. And Silent Sync silences Popoy right away. Mukhang alam ng Team Yota that to face head on with Hydrochronic, they need to stop the Soulbinder. This is a Soulbinder versus Soulbinder lineup nga naman. Pinagkaiba lang is Morok yung isa while Fenrir. So it's a Silent Sync versus John Slander Diff. Sinong mas maganda ang difference? Okay, bantay sarado na ng mid ang Team Hydrochronic. Hawak na ang mid. They already have 1.5k points, 700 point lead against Team Yota. Team Yota all burning up there. Popoy dies from the debuff. Ano yun? Mga na-burn si Yota there. I was seeing HP loss damages there. Popoy, Soul of the Wizard. May na barrier ba siya doon? Ayan, na barrier niya si Chronic to get the ball. Popoy casting Unreal kay Fenrir. Gumagana ba Unreal doon? Parang, di ba sa AA lang yung... Sabagay, nag-AA naman talaga ang Fenrir, no? But anyway, Popoy there. Soul Judgment. May mapapatay ba na Soul Judgment? Ang Jormon and down. Ang Jormon ni... sino ba yung Jormon nila? Siya, si Claustrophobic. Ang Jormon ng Team Yota na Soul Judgment siya doon, sabay nawala yung ano. Ayan, Soul Judgment again on Claustrophobic, pero mo hindi na-target yung Soul Judgment niya doon. Ay, di, na-target, patay ulit si Claustrophobic. Na-shut down ang Ilinya ng Team Yota. Mukhang bumabawi ang Popoy dito. Trip na trip mo ako, Soul Judgment ka sa akin buong gabi. Ayun. So, he was targeted by Claustrophobic there. Patayan lang kabilaan. Soul of the Ninja. Ano Soul of the Ninja? Diba SP recovery yung Soul of the Ninja? Ayun. Na-target na naman ng Ilinya si Popoy. Mukhang siya talaga ang trip. Lagyan ng cabbage ng Team Yota. They have to shut down Popoy to try to even win this round. Pero 1,000 point lead already on Team Hydrochronic. Popoy just staying in the in the sides there, walang pumupulot ng white ball, wala rin palang hawak na ball si Hydrochronic, pero kabilaan na 3v1 ang Mr. Popoy ni Silent Sync and Claustrophobic. Arrigo po trying to return here in the middle to give their orb holder some soul. Sinol Judgment na lang. Ay po, dyan masakit. Yung problema, no? Soul Binder debuff is very, very necessary in today's meta lineup, but you got hit by a truck, by an Elinya. It's too much to stay alive, no? Being an adventurer job, this is a hero's job era now, eh. So there, Zelva, only with 9 kills ang Zelva. John Slander taking 4 for the team, but still, nahawakan nila ng matagal yung 2 orbs, while yung orb holders ng Team Yota keeps on dying and they keep on losing their orbs. Slowly but sure win from Team slow but sure win from Team Chronic. So Team Yota is gonna pick Map 2, Temple of Reincarnation for round number 2. So one player of Team Yota got disconnected. He's not in the room. Sinong gusto yung POV? Mr. Popoy ba ulit? Iba naman. Parang gusto ko yung POV ni Silent Sync. Fenrir eh. Pero kasi bagal maglaad ng Fenrir for some reason. Si Zelva, special request. Puro Hydrochronic. Ay gusto yung POV sa team Team Yota. Okay, Zelva tayo, map 2. Ano ba nilalaro si Zelva? Zelva is Damorok, tama ba? Ano ba nilaro ni Zelva kanina? Hindi ko nakakaalala. Kompleto na pala. Both teams already in. Maganda po yung POV ni Popoy Maxon. Puro deads. Wala pre. Ganun talaga ang buhay ng Soulbinder, man. You cannot stay in the front lines too long because the range of Elinya is too far, is too big. So, kailangan magaling ka mag-in-out. Soul Judgment mo lang yung Uber niya, then out ka na. If you stay too long in, Adventurer jobs cannot tank hero job damage eh. Masyado ng hero job inclined ang PvP. Although it's a good thing we're still seeing Adventurer jobs here. Soulbinder being the favorite. Second is the Saint. Medyo nawawala na si Saint. Pero still here. We're seeing team. And nakakatuwa. I'm seeing, I think it was Papa Hop, no? Seeing Papa Hop use Begetter. So, that was fun to watch Begetter in action. Kunat eh. I think yung Begetter ni Papa Hop can tank an Elinya damage eh. That's very good. Ayan, so battle started. Let's go to the POV by request by Zelva. Elinya pala si Zelva. Dito tayo sa Jormon niya. Jormon POV tayo. Nakasakay naman lagi si Zelva. Okay din, yan. Mas maganda yan. So, ang paano ba dito? Leibe? Yung pangalan ng character ng Jormon ng Team Hydrochronic, Leibe. diving in, pero wala natanggal shield. He's trying to remove, ayun, Cobb loses his shield dahil Chronic ba yung nakita ko naubos ang buhay doon? Hindi, boy, si Chronic. Somebody there. Ito yata yung LMX. So, Lebe, even with on human form, healing everybody here. LMX is down. Lovent. Konti na lang yung Lovent, pero nakatakas pa. Nasalo ng shield. John Slander is down. Lebe and Zelba unstoppable in the middle. Mukhang hindi nakukuha ng white orb. Ayun, na Soul Judgment. Si Lebe will not suffice to bring them down na nawala ang snake form. Nawala ang snake form ni Lebe na na-cabbage siya doon, losing his linya. In the process, nalaglag si Zelba. Sabi nila, mukhang hindi na kaya. May Soulbinder nga pala yung kalaban. You cannot tank for long if you got debuffed eh. So Lebe, in action, they're trying to get 3 o'clock orb right now na Soul Judgment. Si Lebe, pero walang pumapasok na damage. Shielded up pa rin ang Lebe. Ayun, pumasok ang Silencing. Sino maunang maubos? Lebe o Silencing? Hindi kaya, masakit masyado si Zelba. Inubos kagad ang shield ni Silencing, and Silencing is down there. 3 orbs, motherfucker, 3 orbs for Team Hydrochronic right now. Hirap pa rin ang Team Yota. Para mas maganda yata, kumuha sila ng map 3 na lang dito, no? Pero, yeah, knowing Team Yota, lagi silang map 2, eh. For all the matches yata I've seen with them, lagi silang map 2. Hindi sila nagma-map 3. Parang si Hayakult, mahilig sa map 2. And, na-wipe ang Hydrochronic. And, Team Yota getting 3 orbs with 900 points. They need to flip the score. 1.8k versus 1.1k. Unti-unting hinahabol ng Team Yota ang score ng Hydrochronic. 800 points to go. Zelba and Lebe, I think they're calling for a regroup here. Hindi pa nakapag-regroup ang members. May dumive na agad, nagtatawag ng remove si Zelba and Lebe. Ayan, dumating na si Mr. Popoy. Okay, the friendly neighborhood is here. Diving in to recover the ball. Masyado na ba late yun? You still have 500 points on the lead. Lebe targeting Yota. Yota, can Yota go down? Hindi, buhay pa rin ang Yota. Nakatakas Lebe. Very low on HP. Nasa lupa ng shield ni Zelba. Buhay pa rin. Hydrochronic still alive. Hydrochronic steals an orb from Yota. And they are able to stop the overflowing score of Team Yota right now. Everybody's ball. Yota doesn't have a ball and it's stopped at 1.9k while Team Hydrochronic recovers all 3 orbs. 900 point lead for Team Hydrochronic. Sayang yun. Yota was doing it parang like for 4 minutes they were holding the 3 orbs there. Kaso isang regroup lang sa Hydrochronic, wipe yung orb holders. Ayun, Lebe na light shieldan pa nga. Dinaiba ni Silent Sync, pero Silent Sync dies in the process. Said isang napakagandang wormhole out by Lebe. Good job there. And then regroups with his team at 9 o'clock. Portal, napaka-veteran move na, no? You go to the edge and then you teleport away. Good job. 3.5k ang score ng Hydrochronic. We are seeing a match point match here. Just 400 points to go. Oy, na-drop pa ang isang orb ng Hydrochronic. But looks like, ang bilis. Ang bilis ng Popoy. Popoy gets the orb for the team instead para matapos na to. And they get 3 orbs. Grabe yung Popoy. Parang kakabreak lang ni Basha. Nakapulot ka agad ng orb. And that finishes round number 2 for Team Hydrochronic getting the win tonight. Nice game. It was ang ganda. Looking at the scores of Team, kahit natalo sila, no, yung Team Yota, ganda ng score. Silent Seek 13 kills. May Forever 12 kills. Na-balance out yung team play. Mr. Popoy number 1. Lakas ng Zelvat, tayo na, oo nga pre. Sa kanya lahat ng kills eh. Pag nagtawag talaga ng regroup, you need to regroup. Pag nagtawag ng regroup, ang killer mo. Anyway, let's go to the raffle. That was the last match of the night. So let's finish up with 2 more codes. So let's see. No double entries guys ha. Check natin yan. So, who voted for Team Yota? We got 5. Oh, did si attorney. And then, who voted for Team Chronic? Cornic tuloy. Chronic. We got 4. 4 lang. 5 and 4. Oh, malapit. May double entry ba? Nikuen, Pablo, Celia Chua. Walang double entry. Okay, let's first raffle entries for... Ay, mali. Hindi ko pala napakita sa screen. Sorry. Ayan, intermission. Raffle. So, let's first raffle those who cheered for Team Yota. Nikuen, Jern Brigado, Michael, Kleino, and Attorney Carmela. Draw entry. Mikael Nathaniel na naman. Oh my God. Second win tonight. Are you there, bro? Claim. 2 code si Mikael Nathaniel tonight. Okay, and then next, let's roll for those who cheered for Team Hydrochronic. Medina, Patrick, Nogase, Pablo, Chico, and Celia Chua. Draw entry. Pahimas nga. Ayun, Pablo, Chico, and Rico. Are you there? Pwede ba re-entry? Hindi, bawal. Pwede. Pag magkaibang match, no problem. Re-entry is okay. If it's a different match, we raffle. We get same different raffles every time. Pablo, Chico, Enrico, are you there? Can you comment? Panot, tigil mo na yan. Ayun, nandun si Pablo. O yan, PM sent. Pa-end stream na ako, Meds. Babalorant ba tayo? Ayan, congratulations to all the winners. I will check your inbox. I messaged you. Reply with your character ID and IGN. And I'll reply with your code. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is Boss Pat. It's now offline.
Oh my God! Eclipse! Oh my God! Uy! Grabe naman ito si Teddy! Grabe naman! Walang naniniwala sa paligid ko!
Roll number 14. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Ayan na, last, ano na to? Last roll na, costume na to eh.
Asan mo?
Ayun na nga!
Ay, may kasi na ako!
Panalo si Pau! Panalo si Pau! Panalo si Pau!
Ay, ina!